Our top story, viewers, comes from Assam on the curious case of a missing EVM which was found in a BJP leader's car. A huge political storm has now erupted in Assam after the EVM was found in a BJP's candidate's car, barely just about after the second phase was wrapping up. Congress has targeted the BJP as demanded EVM's re-evaluation, while BJP calls it an opposition's trick. The Election Commission has suspended 4 poll officers and ordered repolling in Rattabadi seat.
Barely hours after the second phase of polling in Assam on Thursday, EVM found in BJP candidate's car. EC orders repolling in one booth. This is MLA Krishnendu Pal's car. The Mahindra Bolero with the number plate AS10B0022 is registered in the BJP candidate's name. Pal is fighting for the Patharkandi constituency seat. Locals intercepted the MLA's car after they saw it was carrying an EVM after polling was over in the Rattabadi assembly seat of Assam. Soon the incident exploded into a full-blown political war of words between the Congress and the BJP.
जिस भारतीय जनता पार्टी की कैंडिडेट की गाड़ी से ईवीएम मिले थे, उसके खिलाफ क्या कार्रवाई हुई? क्या वहां दोबारा चुनाव की निष्पक्षता के बारे में, ईवीएम्स के बारे में नहीं जांच होनी चाहिए थी?
पुराना स्वभाव रहा है कांग्रेस का, when they are faced with imminent defeat, they start using this kind of result. Just wait and watch as we draw ahead, as we move ahead in the election process. They are going to make one more allegation. I am making a prediction right now.
When questioned, Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal chose to evade India today.
सर ईवीएम मिला है गाड़ी में, वो आप लोग के कैंडिडेट का है सर, पाथरकांडी कैंडिडेट कृष्णेंदु पाल का है सर।
ये तो आपका पास जानकारी।
नहीं सर, ये जानकारी नहीं सर, ये जानकारी तो सर।
सुनिए भाई
जी सर,
मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि फिर से बीजेपी सरकार बन रहा है।
सर ये बड़ा एलिगेशन है सर, लोगों का चुनाव पे से भरोसा ही उठ रहा है सर।
Even as embarrassed officials tried to deflect the gross violation, the Election Commission ordered fresh polling in one polling station of the Rattabadi seat. The explanation given for why the EVM was questionable. The official car carrying the EVM broke down on Thursday, which is why the machine was being transported in another vehicle. It was incidental that the car belonged to a BJP candidate. Under fire, BJP candidate, however, has now admitted owning the car in which the EVMs were found, but claims that he just obliged EC officials who asked for a lift.
हाँ, वो हमारा गाड़ी, हमारा मिसेस का नाम का गाड़ी है।
तो उस गाड़ी में ईवीएम कैसे बरामद हुए सर? ईवीएम क्या पोलिंग मशीन उस गाड़ी में क्या कर रहा था?
ना कोई एक गाड़ी खराब हो गया, इधर में बारिश चल रहा था, तो हमारा भाई को इधर रुक के बोला थोड़ा हेल्प करने के लिए, तो ये लोग ये खराब गाड़ी से हमारा गाड़ी में उठा।
The poll panel has taken action against the officers involved.
The Election Commission, apart from taking the decision of a repoll in the same seat, has now suspended 4 officers and has also asked the deciding officer to send them a very detailed report of the entire incident. The Assam CEO has also been asked to dive deep into the incident and to dig out more details of what exactly happened. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from New Delhi from outside the Election Commission of India with camera person Pavan Kumar.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.